Hey folks, this is Kansas Loan Man here. And are you looking to buy a home but feeling a little bit overwhelmed by all the mortgage options out there? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. There are a variety of loan programs, mortgage loans programs available, each designed to meet different financial needs and goals. Let's break them down. First up is the FHA mortgage. These loans are backed by the Federal Housing Administration and ideal for first-time home buyers with less than 20% down. In fact, you only need 3.5%. They're also good for those who have below a 720 credit score, as they do allow lower credit scoring to qualify. They're also more forgiving when it comes to credit history, and debt to income ratios are easier to qualify for. In fact, according to the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, more than 30% of first-time homebuyers have used FHA loans, so it's an amazing choice for you. Next, conventional mortgage. A conventional mortgage is not backed by the federal government. If you have 20% more down and strong credit, you can avoid mortgage insurance, which keeps monthly costs lower. If you're putting at least 10% down and have a high credit score, a conventional loan can also be an excellent choice. As a first-time homebuyer, you only need 3% down, so it can be a good choice for you too. Next is VA loans. This is one of my favorite loans to do, and it's eligible for veterans who are active duty or reservists who have been in long enough. You may be able to qualify for this as well. They offer exceptional benefits. This is backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, and they require no down payment. That's right, zero down. And they have no private mortgage insurance either, so that 20% down rule doesn't apply to you. If you qualify, this can be one of the most cost-effective ways to buy a home. This is one of my favorite loan types for sure. It also is very workable on the debt ratio. They allow for higher debt ratios and allow me as a loan officer to be able to work for you in a better way, as well as being able to give back to those who have served me. Another zero down loan I want to talk about is the USDA or Rural Development Loan. It works for those who want to buy in a suburban or a rural area, and it's backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Now, these loans have no down payment as well, and they're designed for moderate income borrowers. In other words, not folks that make too much, but not folks that make too little as well. They have a little bit of PMI on them, but not much. It is the most affordable loan going outside of a VA loan. Now, this has helped many people who want to buy in a rural area or a small town outside suburbia to achieve their home ownership. The seller can pay your closing costs as well, and you can get into this thing with zero down and very little out of your pocket. So USDA could be a good choice for you. Here is a proprietary program I want to talk about. It's called the Easy Mortgage Program, the Gold Mortgage Easy Program. It's easy and simple, and it's designed for buyers who cannot qualify for a traditional mortgage. It's intended for clients who have maintained good credit over the last 12 months and can document zero late payments during that time on your rent or your mortgage. That's right, zero late payments. That's crucial. With as little as 3.5% down, eligible buyers can move forward even if they're not yet able to meet traditional guidelines. This is not a mortgage. This is securing a contract for deed that we help you with that provides you equitable interest on title. And what that means is you still own this home. Your name is on that title. It can't be sold from underneath you. This is your house. But what this does is gives you the ability to build equity similar to a traditional mortgage, and we provide a clear plan to help you refinance into a traditional mortgage after 2 years. Now, this is for people that haven't been able to qualify because you're self-employed. You've been self-employed less than 2 years. Shoot, if you've been self-employed for 3, 4, 5 months, this program could be a fit for you. It also works for buyers who have a tax ID or what's called an ITIN number and no social security number. Those who have recently got a second job and hard to document income, it could work for you. So this is a great program to talk to me about. And again, it's proprietary, specific to Gold Mortgage. So talk to the Kansas Loan Man and I'll help you with that. I'd also like to talk about non-QM loans. Now, non-qualified mortgage options serve borrowers who do not meet traditional guidelines. They can fit self-employed borrowers, those with unique income documentation, or anyone rebuilding after recent financial challenges. These are great for investors as well, as we have a program we call Invest Simple. We don't ask for or document any income other than the expected rents on the house you're buying. This is also known as a DSCR loan. Every program has strengths and trade offs. The best choice depends on your goals, your budget, location, and eligibility. My goal as a loan officer is to help every buyer find the program that best fits your needs so that you can own a home today. Get a hold of me and we'll go over your options and make sure that you get the best loan fit for you. Talk to you soon.